Avery and Daddy are building a wagon. Avery has his new hammer.
Hey, you want a hammer there?
Make sure it's in good. He's distracted. There, all done?
Good job, buddy.
Looks like it's in nice and tight. Yep.
Yep.
Almost finished.
Look at that.
Soon we'll be riding in your wagon.